Okay, guys, my packages from July 1st are coming in. Now, to be fair, so today is Tuesday. To be fair, they did start coming in, like, I want to say Saturday, Sunday, but I hadn't had a chance to get to them. I shared it in with my son, and so I didn't have a chance to tape. I wanted to rip these things open, but I said I was going to wait and share this with you guys. So oh, by the way, I didn't do anything to this package. That is how it came. So hopefully whatever inside is protected. So let's take a look. Oh, they did all of this for this one little thing. It's a huge box. So, but it was well protected. So, I don't always get, oh, this didn't even come with a tag. I don't always get, genuine Coach, charms. But this was, I think it was like $150, but it was marked down to $60. And I thought it was super cute. And it has some substantial weight to it. And every now and then I like to get an actual Coach charm. But I do a lot of Temu and Amazon charms and stuff like that. But since this one had come down some, is that scratched? I don't know. I might have to tell them I need a replacement because they were wrong for that. Anyway, that's what was in that gigantic box. All right, and then let's see what's in here. Okay, so while I was trying to put enough stuff in my box, in my basket, to get the cherry print pencil case, it sold out. So I saw this, the sunglass case. I mean, I have sunglasses, but I don't usually wear them that much. But I thought to myself, you know, maybe I'll put what I wanted to put in the pen case. Maybe I'll use this for that. I mean, it doesn't have to be a sunglass case, but we'll see. I might just use it as it's intended to for a sunglass case, but I might actually try to use it as a pen case. Who knows? But let's take this off. Now, I've had people say that Coach doesn't put plastic on their hardware. Well, this came directly from Coach. All right. Still, let's see. Let's open this and get this off of there. All right. And I wonder if this will work as like a pen case. So let's see. Yeah. So I might do that. This might be a pen case, or I might use it as a sunglass case. You never know. But I think this is cute, and I really like this print. It's the embossed cherries. And I know a lot of people were saying that they didn't like this, and I was surprised at that. But I really like it. So that's that. So that's that one. So that's what I got so far. And let's see if I can open one more. All right. So, because I got several boxes here. I didn't plan on getting all of this from that drop. I was just going to get 2 things. But, you know, almost sets in. And then I think there were a couple things that I didn't realize was actually going to be in it. And so I picked up more than I thought I was going to get. Which, that always happens. All right, so let me see. Oh, okay. So this huge box is this. So I think I got this like a day before the drop. So these went on sale. They were still too high for some fabric shoes, but I went ahead and got it because I do have some of the pink pieces, and so I just went ahead and got it. These were $93. I think that is super high for this. And this is marked down. I don't know if they still have these. But let me see. But that is the name of it. Alright, and so I think I will end this video here. I do have more from the drop. And so y'all stay tuned. Alright, so that's it. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.